now, I guess. We got some wood, 1/2-inch birch plywood, counter grade, so it's really, really nice. It's so soft on the top. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be using. I bought 3 sheets just in case, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, it's officially the day. We're gonna transport this to Davenport near Orlando and get started. Here to Orlando or Davenport, and we're waiting for Josh to come to act. No, we're waiting for him to wake up.
He's already awake.
He's already awake, but he's getting the house ready. And we actually stopped and picked up a DJI mic. It is missing a headphone jack for the camera, so I'm not able to use it at the moment, but we got it for a steal off of Facebook, so this is going to work miracles in our videos. Is it too early to eat pizza?
No, it's 12:30. I don't think
Yeah, I got a pub sub and I'm ready to eat, so. But yeah, we're about to start the storage and I'll keep you guys updated. Hi, Macy.
We came bearing gifts. Go inside, Macy. Go inside. Go.
Nice. Meow. He really stopped.
So, just say 9 3/4 because it's the highest. 9 3/4 to be safe. It'll be slightly above that.
Okay. So we're currently doing the measurements for the inside of the trunk, and he's just measuring from the back to the front, and then how tall we're gonna do it, and from each wheel well. And then we're still gonna keep the seats in here. I might get rid of these, and then keep these, and then we should be good from there. So let's do this. This is like a crazy freaking setup for woodworking. And then we have a little dog. Hello there. Don't pull or anything, I'll go. Don't pull. I'm not. Oh my gosh, you trust that blade way too much.
Oh, yeah, it looks fine right there, Gabe. I'm doing this right.
Michelle's over here freaking working out
No, I'm just chilling.
with the dog watching. Built all of this himself. He, like, this is so nice and organized. That's wood glue? Okay. What is the difference between wood glue and regular glue?
What kind of regular? What do you mean regular?
Like
regular?
Like a regular glue wouldn't work with.
Oh, heck no. Like Elmer's glue?
Yeah.
School glue?
What is the difference?
And then you'd have storage back there too. But then your fridge is a little higher. You might not be able to reach up in there.
Yeah. So that's
At that height. What's the width? DWH, depth, width, height. So 9 inches deep, 18.11 inches wide, 17.36 inches high. Does it sound right? The fridge is 9 inches wide. That's it.
It's not that big, dude.
The fridge is this wide.
no.
Heck no. Okay, so that's definitely wrong. So
You should have brought. Watch out, Prince. At least
So we have like a dilemma of the platform on top, and we don't know like how we're gonna do it, because if the fridge slides out, this right here, this wood piece will lose its integrity because it'll be out. So we're thinking about putting a wood piece back here and keeping the fridge just right here, or just right here. So we're trying to look on Pinterest and stuff like that to see what else we could do, because right now the fridge would basically leave these drawers open, and that's not what we want. We want the fridge to sit here, but also having something closed over here. So we'll see what we could do. But so this is what we have so far. This is where the fridge is gonna be, and then this is the main sort of area for the drawer that's gonna come out. We got sliders that will probably go out to here, or the whole drawer will come out actually. So we're gonna have a ton of space, and we're gonna have a divider in the middle and multiple sections to put a divider. It'll all make sense when we're done. Alright, so like I said, we're doing a main divider in the middle, but he's also adding other slits throughout the whole drawer where we can put sliders or dividers anywhere. So we'll have options to put like dividers throughout the whole drawer. So he's changing the blades at the moment to make these little slits on the wood, and these are where the dividers are gonna go. It's going to be like, so it'll give me options. So there'll be a permanent divider in the middle, and then I have options to add other dividers if I wanted to make it bigger or smaller. So very smart. And that's going to be in this drawer, and then this drawer is going to be the fridge, and then it's going to have another slide out on the bottom with the stove. So I'll be able to cook from right here, and also have the fridge out. So we'll be able to, so we don't have to go in the truck anymore to grab the fridge. We can just have it out here. Ah, so that's what it does. A dado inside that wood. A dado. So that's what they are. And then those will be where the dividers go. We're going to the Orlando City game tonight, so we're not going to be done with the drawer. It's also going to take a couple of days anyway, because we still got to get everything done. He still has to put the sliders in. So far we are just getting the frame built, and then we're debating on whether we're going to sleep here tonight. If not, then he can just finish it and we'll come pick it up later this week. And then we'll kind of give you guys a little tour of what it looks like and how it works and stuff like that. But so far it's coming out just the way we wanted it, so we're extremely happy. Currently kind of fitting everything after he built the frame, and now he's trying to figure out the sideboards right here and for that side, and then trying to figure out how this is going to work, because when we put the drawer in here, there's going to be open space back here and stuff like that. So he's trying to figure out a way that when I don't have the fridge in here, we can still put a platform right here. So he's trying to figure out how we're going to be able to have a little thing right here that we can still hinge, but also be able to kind of move the platform in and out. I don't know. He's trying to figure that out right now. But he's got the sides kind of mounted up and figured out. And that's what we're trying to achieve right now. And then would you guys believe that we were able to prep and paint this car in one day? So this is Alex's 4runner, otherwise known as Michelle's brother, her little brother. And normally you would see this car being white in the videos, or not car but truck being white in the videos. I think you could tell by the door jambs. He's doing the door jambs later, but he wanted to get the car painted because we're going to the Southeastern Overland Expo here in Florida next weekend, so he wanted to get it painted just so it looks nice, and we were able to do it in a day, so it's very nice. Came out really good. He originally said that he wanted it more blue, but he ended up getting a 3rd gen color anyway, a stock 3rd gen color, but it ended up being a little too purple. So it still looks good. I mean, I would honestly take it. It looks like a really nice color. I like the dark color. It matches good with the chrome. So, I mean, once he builds it up and stuff like that, I think he'll like it a little bit more. But, you know, it's purple, but it looks good. So
it's a few days later. I am sick. I don't feel good, but we're back home. It turns out that the storage system was going to take a little bit longer to finish, so we left it at Josh's house. This is going to be like a end of part 1 of the video, because we got some measurements wrong, and so we had to order another drawer slider, a different size. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate the support. We're so close to 500 subscribers, so we are extremely happy, and you have no idea. We are like jumping off our seats all the time because we're so close to that goal. So thank you guys. If you want to keep up with us, make sure to hit that notification bell.